Lignocellulose provides an important source of raw material for renewable products such as fuels. But what is it? Plant biomass is primarily composed of lignocellulose, so it's available in very large quantities in the waste and residues from forestry and agriculture. Lignocellulosic waste and residues offer promising replacement for fossil raw materials. It is estimated that they could replace 200 to 400 megatons of fossil crude oil, about 5% of all oil used today. In many areas of the world, these lignocellulosic waste and residue streams are largely underutilized, or in some cases even burnt. We want to put these otherwise wasted materials to good use. Waste and residues from the forest industry include branches, bark or tree tops. Agricultural waste and residues such as corn stover and wheat straw are another abundant source of lignocellulosic raw materials. For the past decade, Neste has conducted extensive research and created partnerships to develop technologies that optimize the use of lignocellulosic waste and residues as renewable raw material. We expect to move from pre-commercial to large-scale industrial stage within this decade. By replacing fossil raw materials with lignocellulosic waste and residues in the production of transport and aviation fuels, as well as renewable raw materials for chemicals, plastics and other materials, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. Change runs on renewables.